In our last video, we talked about working with the honest home buyer. And this video is going to be more about what it's like working with a professional home buyer and how they can benefit you moving forward when you're looking to actually sell your home. The first thing is savings. You're going to save on time and you're going to save on money. The way you're going to save on time is no more open houses, no more inspection periods. And the way you're going to save on money is you don't have to worry about marketing or actually having to pay anybody out of pocket. The second thing is transparency. I know we talked about this a little bit in the last video, but it's big. You want to make sure that the home buyer is giving you the full scope of everything that's going to happen, from how much you could possibly sell your house for right now as is versus how much you could sell it for if you were to do the whole renovations, and how much renovations would probably cost you as well. This third step is huge, and is really why most people work with home buyers, is because they simplify the process. Professional home buyer is going to give you the full timeline of when you get your home under contract versus once you finally close. And they're gonna basically simplify it to where all you have to do is worry about coming to the closing table and signing, and that's it. The fourth one is a guaranteed close. Now, the closing is gonna be pretty much guaranteed when you're working with a home buyer, unless there's a cloudy title or some type of weird stuff going on your side to where the title company has to take a little bit longer to do a little investigating to make sure that they have a clear title to close. And lastly is the satisfaction that you get with working with a home buyer. Working with home buyers is so simple, so easy, to the point where most of the time people don't really understand why they would rather work with a home buyer and maybe get a few thousand less than actually working with a realtor. Is because they take all of the stress, all of the burden of wondering and hoping that you can get your house sold at this time, or going through whatever you might be going through, whether it be a job relocation, foreclosure, or whatever. You're able to have the peace of mind knowing that you're going to be able to close on the time that you need to close and move forward with your life. If you're looking to work with a professional home buyer, reach out to us today, nowpropertyinvest.com.